What's up? What's up, y'all? I'm making another video. This one is a disagreement to my brother Shakka Ahmose. He made a video about the Monique situation, and I just disagree with the brother. Now, I don't mean no disrespect, and I'm new to YouTube, and I ain't trying to use nobody as no come up or nothing like that. In fact, Shakka Ahmose is a very knowledgeable brother, man, and I respect him. And I learned a lot from this brother about history, so this is no shots fired, no disrespect or none of that. I'm just in disagreement with a statement that he made as far as the Monique situation is concerned. I'm going to play the clip and then I'm going to speak on it very briefly.
In 2018, black people still find it acceptable to beg white people for shit. And I'm personally sick of it, particularly when we're begging for it publicly, on social media. It's a form of begging.
Now, that's the part that I have a disagreement with. First of all, I don't think the sister Monique was begging for anything. Because from what I've heard Monique said, Netflix contacted her for her services. They contacted her, wanted her to do a special. But they didn't offer her the money that she wanted. So, she tried to negotiate more money. And in the process of that, some other iconic figures' names came up, and their salaries was discussed, and she wasn't satisfied with the response that she got as far as the differences in the salaries are concerned. Now, they contacted her for her services. That's not begging. That's it. That's flat out. That's what I believe. Now, her boycotting Netflix might be a different story. That might be far-fetched for some people. Because the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan trying to get us to boycott Christmas. Because we keep on with these behaviors, man, that's really not our culture. And then we complain all the time, the white man this, the white man that, and we still participate in the things that he has set up. So Farrakhan wanted us to boycott Christmas, of course. They came out disrespectful on him, said he was crazy. Now they're saying the same thing about Monique. And I just want to know, man, when is black people ever going to come together and come in agreement on anything? When is that going to happen? Netflix is only cost like $12. You can't part with $12. See, I'm in agreement with Monique. Because that little $12 don't make me or break me, man. And we need to take a stand, man, as a people, man, and show them, man. Basically, what she want to show them is, look, if you want my service, you're going to have to kick out some more money. I don't look at it as begging. Because for one, she didn't go to them first, right? And if you look at it, it's really not the salary that's at stake, it's the principle, right? It's the principle of how they treating black women in the industry, right? So Monique is the one chosen to take the stand and say, look, you're going to have to treat us better. Because, of course, everybody is not going to separate. The Honorable Elijah Muhammad came up with the, say we need to separate. But my understanding is that we have to separate mentally. Not pack her up and move some damn where, but we got to separate mentally, right? We got to change our behaviors, things like that. Stop continuing to participate in the things that the white man has set up for us. So, this video is just about that statement Shakka Ahmose made about begging. You know, you said yourself, fuck Netflix, fuck Paramount, fuck all the white production companies. Well, if you really look at it, that's the same thing Monique is saying. Just change the word from boycott to the hell with y'all. Because that's basically what she asking us to do. To say the hell with Netflix until you start treating black sisters fairly. Because they don't have no problem with taking care of the black man and the white man. Right? So basically, Monique is trying to fight for her rights. That's basically what she is fighting for. You see? Now, until we can get our things set up, man, we still gonna have to, you know, participate in their little arenas that they have set up. You know, but we don't have to just accept anything, like Monique said. You know, and Wanda Sykes was offered even less money than Monique. But Wanda Sykes turned it down, but she didn't say anything about it. She didn't put it out there like Monique did. And Monique put it out there. Yeah, this is how they treat me, family. Expecting her family, man, to back her. But that's hard to do. That's just hard to do. Now, I'm backing this. Really, I understand what Monique is saying, but I'm backing her just on GP alone. Because it ain't like she trying to get people to do something wrong. All she really asking for is our support. And what's so hard about that? So, this was just my little brief video in disagreement with what Shakka Ahmose said. You know, I got mad love and respect for the brother. You know, I hope he keep teaching. You know, I saw his video on it and I immediately clicked on it. That's how, you know, respect I have. That's how much respect I have for the brother. And, you know, the things that he talk about is very interesting. And I've learned a lot from the brother. About Kemet. And, you know, a lot of black history, period. I've learned from him and the House of Conscience. Starnet and them brothers, all them brothers I learned from. Yeah, but I just disagree with this one. So, peace, family. That's just my take on Shakka Ahmose. My brother, peace, family.